is Dave Ross, and in this second video of the series we're going to look at how we can extend the SQL query to select only specific columns from the table. If we look at what we did last time, let's take our customer query, select staff and customer. What that does, it selects every column. Just get some of these windows here out of the way. That selects every column from the table customer, and as you can see there's quite a few there. What we can do instead is we can actually specify which columns we are interested in. For example, we are interested in the customer number, and we separate the columns we're interested in by a comma. We are interested in the city, and maybe we are interested in the country, if I can spell that. Okay, let's execute that query, and what you can see now is we only get the 3 columns we asked for. I can also change the ordering of these, and the result set is returned in the order that I asked for the columns. Obviously the GUI itself actually allows you to manipulate the column ordering, but that's not what's coming back from the database. If I look at the schema, just briefly look at that table again, it was the customer table. I could drag on, for example, the postcode, and oops, I need a comma there between the columns. In this case, what you'll see is it's fully qualified the postcode column with the name of the table. We don't need that for such a simple query, but for more complicated queries with more than one table, you sometimes need to fully qualify it with the table.column name so that you can be specific of which column you're talking about. I can get rid of it for now. What we can also do is use what's called an alias, so I can rename the column in the results set. For example, I can call customer no and give it a proper name, customer number. The quotes are needed because there is a space here. If that was a single word, I wouldn't need quotes. And here we now have a result set with customer number in it. Similarly, the postal code could be returned as postcode, and so on. Okay. You often see people using the word as, so select a column as alias, select a column as alias. It's not actually required. You can get rid of the word as, it's just a little bit less typing. Okay. Aliases are more useful when you're actually using functions, or the column names or table names are not very user friendly and things like that. And I think as we get onto more complicated queries, it'll become more apparent why you might need those. Okay, so that's that. That's how you can simply select which columns you're interested in. In the next video, we'll look at probably using functions to develop this a little bit further. Okay. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop me a line at video@citrustechnology.com. Thank you.